Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we will see the personality Jaspat Roy Kapoor. He was born on 16th of October 1896 in Uttar Pradesh. After completing his post-graduation, he obtained the degree in law. He was elected to Constituent Assembly from United Provinces on the Congress ticket. He spoke on various issues. He participated in the debates related to the parliamentary privileges. He participated in the debate related to retirement age of the judges. He was of opinion that there should be an equal opportunity in the employment with the government jobs all over India. So let's understand this aspect, what is said on this. 30th of November 1948, Jaspat Roy Kapoor, quote, Sir, the object of my amendment is that every citizen of the country, wherever he might be living, should have equal opportunity of employment under the state. Every citizen, irrespective of his place of residence, should be eligible for employment under the state anywhere in the country. Sir, there being only one citizenship for whole country, it should carry with it unfettered right and privilege of employment in any part and in every nook and corner of the country. A citizen residing in the province of Bengal, Madras, Bombay or CP should be eligible for employment in UP, and similarly the resident of UP should have the right and privilege of employment in any other province of the country, provided of course he possesses the other necessary qualification for the office. I can also understand, sir, a rule being laid down that a person who wants employment in the province should have adequate knowledge of local conditions. So these were his views on particular topic. We are thankful for his contribution in making of the Constitution of India. Thank you.